Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got some fantastic tips for you using cable ties. They're not just for bundling cables, but they can be used in so many creative ways. So let's dive right in and check them out. Alright, for our first hack, we'll use a cable tie to make dealing with Scotch tape. Grab your favorite tape and gently fasten a cable tie around the roll. Now, take a spiral and carefully sharpen its end. Once you have that, you can easily tear off the tape without struggling. It's that simple. Moving on to our second tip. Ever had a clogged sink? No worries, grab a cable tie and make a diagonal cut on one end. Do the same on the other side to create a scratchy surface. Twist the cable tie occasionally, and now you have a handy tool to clean out debris from your clogged sink. It works like magic. Now, let's talk about kitchen food packaging bag. Opening them can be a challenge, right? But with a cable tie, it's a piece of cake. Simply insert a toothpick between the zipper-like teeth and untie the cable tie. Voila! Even elementary school students can do this easily. Here's a fun one. We're going to make a handle using a cable tie. Start by tying one end around your object. Next, tie another cable tie at the bottom. Now, carefully cut off the end of the spiral. Finally, slide a cable tie between the top and bottom ones and secure it to create the handle. Ta-da! Your DIY handle is complete. And that's a wrap on our cable tie tips and tricks. Who knew these little wonders could be so versatile, right? I hope you enjoyed this video and found these hacks helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.